So what happens when we feel those intense emotions inside? And emotions can be positive or can be negative. But the problem is what happens when we cannot process those emotions as an adult. Like kids do it effortlessly, but as an adult, it will be very difficult, or sometimes it's very, very stressful to release those expression of emotions. हमारे अंदर ही अंदर में एक घुटन होती है, एक बेचैनी होती है, जिसे हम समझ नहीं पाते कि कैसे हमको प्रोसेस करना चाहिए. यही इमोशंस और फीलिंग को अगर हम आर्ट के रूप दे सकते हैं, then we will be healed inside. So आज हम बात करेंगे about those 5 practices through which you can put your emotions into the form of art. So check this out. So emotions को आर्ट के रूप देने के लिए जो पहला practice is very, very important, and that is meditation. If you meditate every day at least for 10 to 20 minutes, it can do wonder. So what is meditation actually? Meditation is something which actually help you to focus your brain in a particular thing or in a particular subject. Okay. आप सोचिए जब हम लोग कुछ काम करते हैं और anything we do like रोज का जो काम हम करते हैं और जब ऑफिस के लिए निकलते हैं, एवरीडे वर्क करते हैं, सो एवरी टाइम वी आर गेटिंग डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बाय समथिंग. हम किसी एक चीज़ पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पाते हैं. लाइक दिस इज आवर ब्रेन इज लाइक दैट. वी कैन नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन वन थिंग एट अ टाइम. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट because it is always getting distracted by some thoughts or anything. Okay, so you have to be more focused to get something which you want in your life. So ये focused होने के लिए meditation is very, very important. उसके साथ साथ meditation is also important to process your emotions. Like when you are meditating, you are thinking about like you are the universe. Rather than thinking that you are sitting or you are surrounded by an universe, rather than think you are the universe and living in a human body, and you can do wonders. You can do wonders with your feeling, with your thoughts, with your ideas. So when you start thinking about that, when you start feeling that, you can actually do that. Number 2, if you are into music, if you are into dancing, if you are into painting or anything which actually helps you release your emotions, then you should do that quite often. And जब आप वो चीज़ करेंगे, like when you are singing or maybe listening to music, just try to feel the tune. Just try to feel the every beat of it. Just try to feel the texture of the tune. Just try to feel the emotions of the tune and try to process that at the same time, and try to connect your mind, your feelings, your thoughts with that particular rhythm, emotions, dance movements. अगर आप painting करते हो, when you are stroking your brush, just think about what exactly you are feeling at that moment. Are you being nostalgic? Are you been thinking about someone? Are you like really, really frustrated by something, disappointed by something? Just feel about that particular state of your mind and try to process it through your brush, through your painting, through your colors, through your texture, through your art. Number 3, talk to yourself quite often. I'm not asking about talk with some other person, imagining some other person. That you can do also, but talk to yourself, your inner soul, your inner person with whom you actually hardly interact. When you are dealing with something, question yourself, like what is happening in your life? Whatever you are feeling right now, is that good for you or is that bad for you? If you question yourself constantly, if you do these practices, then definitely you can process your emotions on your own. You don't need any other's help to do that. you are the person who knows you better than any other person. So while processing, or when you want to process your emotions, you should talk to yourself more and you should question yourself more to get all the answers you are longing for. Number 4, sometimes living in the moment can also help you to process your expression and emotions. Sometimes it can be positive, sometimes it can be negative, but I'm talking about the positive emotions first. Like, suppose for example, you love playing guitar when you travel or when you meet new people, okay, but you want to do it exactly at the moment when you are traveling or when you are meeting new people. So this is the practice, or this is the way of expressing your emotions when you are happy or when you are living your moment. So before talking about the final point, I just want you to check my social links, and the links are given in the description below, and you can check my social profiles where you can see how I'm expressing my emotions through the form of art, through the form of painting, drawing and other things. Okay, so, and those whoever watching this video, if you are liking this video, please pass them on to somebody who might like this too. And if you really like this video, then consider subscribing. Okay, so the final point, or the number 5 point, is like, see the world or see the universe from a different perspective or a different angle. Like, if you are doing whatever the majority people are doing, you are not expressing yourself. You are just fitting yourself in a box called social norms. And you have to be different and see the world from a different angle or from a different window if you really want to express your thoughts, feelings and emotions in this way. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, please put your comments in the comment box and tell me and let me know what you think about all these practices and what exactly comes in your mind when you think about processing your emotions. I'll be really happy to read your comments. Okay, so अच्छे से रहिएगा, खुश रहिएगा, मस्ती में रहिएगा, अपना इमोशन एक्सप्रेस करते रहिएगा. So I will see you in the next video. Until then,